How to log out your account on Spendee application. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account on Spendee app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Spendee app on your mobile device. Once you open the Spendee app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now scroll down. It will be provided with multiple options. You are looking to log out, right? Just simply tap on Logout. Once you click on Logout, your account will be instantly logged out from the Spendee application. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna log out our account on the Spendee application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding Spendee app, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.